This is a 2021 Outlander. How to remove the passenger side door panel. Actually, this is just the same at the front, same procedure. Okay, first is pop this out here. Bali dito siya nakalagay. So remove this, and there is a screw to remove that. Bali natin to. Okay, next is here. You have to remove this. Tanggalin lang ito. I just use the pick tool. Remove this cover. There's a screw under that cover, so remove also that. Okay, then that's it. Just pull the panel out. Okay, that's it. And then you have to remove the cable here, and one here, and the connector. Sa one connector there. And that's it. Okay, so easy. Same also at the front. All goods. Cheers.